Now we're going to put our batter in our prepared pan, and we'll be baking that. Here we go. Our batter has been mixing for about 3 minutes. It's nice and smooth. We'll just scrape off our beaters here. Put that aside. This is what our batter looks like. And we'll just scrape all of that into the pan. This is a 2-layer cake, but we make 1 layer that we'll be cutting into 2. It's a nice, rich, heavy torte cake. Okay, there we go. Just spread it out nice and evenly. And we'll be cooking that in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes. So the batter fills the pan about halfway, and this is a 3-inch pan. While it cooks, the batter will rise up, and then it will settle down. So the cake will not be very high, but you need the high sides in the pan because the cake will come up and then go down. Let's place it in the oven in the middle rack. Our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. We'll place that right in the middle rack. Let's set our timer for 40 minutes. We're going to check the cake at 40 minutes, and if it needs a little more time beyond that, then we'll give it another 5 or 10 minutes.